Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports roundup.
With 13 centuries scored across the first two rounds of the Regional 4-Day Championship, Cricket West Indies President Dr. Kishore Shala says this is as a result of the investment the board has made in lifting the standard of the game. Several bowlers and batters were involved in a one-week workshop ahead of the tournament, including Jamaica Scorpions players John Campbell, Kurt McKenzie Jr. and Tamar Redwood. There has also been 34 half-centuries, while 7 batters have already accumulated more than 200 runs, including Jamaicans Campbell with 258, which ranks him second on the list, and Jermaine Blackwood, who is fourth with 213 runs. 4 spinners are already into double figures in regards to wickets, led by Kari Peer with 21. Shala says improvements in the all-round structure has been key to the performances.
We have started the year well. The first-class season is also after a really great start. After 2 rounds, I think we have certainly more than 10 centuries. That is probably the first time in the tournament's history we have been able to see that. The reason that is so encouraging is because it means that the efforts made in the last few years to improve our infrastructure, our facilities, our pitches, are working, and our batsmen are responding positively to that. Also, we have had some 5-wicket hauls as well, which shows that the bowlers are getting something out of the pitches.
5 years after their last game at home, the Jamaica Premier League will make a return to the Edward Seaga Sports Complex today as Tivoli Gardens host Chapperton Maroons in 1 of 3 games. 2020 was the last time a Premier League game was held at a venue where coincidentally Tivoli defeated another Clarendon team in Vere 5-1 in March. Elsewhere, recently appointed coach Alex Thomas, who is still searching for his first win since taking charge of Humble Lion, will play at the Effortville Community Centre for the first time as they take on the informed Racing United FC, who have won 4 of their last 5 games. The other game will see Portmore United and neighbours Dunbeholden FC clashing at Ferdinita Park. Matches kick off at 3 p.m. After finishing a point outside the automatic qualifying spots, former champions Bayern Munich will be hoping to claim an early advantage over Celtic when they meet in their first leg Champions League knockout phase playoffs game today at 3 p.m. Bayern, who won 4 out of their last 5 matches in the league phase, ended 12th on the table with 15 points. The game will be live on TVJ and Hits 92 FM. The other games today will see Monaco take on Benfica at home, Feyenoord host AC Milan, and Club Brugge will battle Atalanta. And finally, Jamaica's under-17 Reggae Boys will battle Cayman Islands in their second Group H encounter at the CONCACAF Championship at 5 p.m. The young Jamaicans defeated St. Lucia 3-1 in their opening match on Monday evening to be second in the group. The Cayman Islands lost 8-0 to El Salvador in their opening game. El Salvador are also on 3 points, but are atop the group on goal difference. The Central Americans will take on St. Lucia in the other Group H game today. The group winner will advance to the FIFA Under-17 World Cup later this year. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renata Brown.
Thank you, Renardo. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.